Hi, this is Trisha. We can see about the counter. Counter is a device which is store the number of time a particular event or process has occurred, often in relationship to a clock signal. They can count specific event happening in the circuit. Counters are broadly divided into two categories. Asynchronous counter, synchronous counter. In synchronous counter, they have two types: ring counter, Johnson counter. We can first see the ring counter. Ring counter is almost the same as the shift counter. The only change is that the output of the last flip-flop is connected to the input of first flip-flop. In case the ring counter, but in case shift register, it is taken as output. Number of state in ring counter is equal to the number of flip-flop is used. This is a circuit diagram for the 4-bit ring counter. When the last output is connected to the first input, it can be continuously happen, called the ring counter. Input variable RST and clock pulses. X equal to clock can be either a positive edge or negative edge. Output variable Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. This is a truth table for the ring counters. Example I give 1110. The last output is connected to the first input, so 0, and first flip-flop is shifted to the second flip-flop is shifted to the third flip-flop, and the third flip-flop is shifted to the fourth flip-flop, and the last output is connected to the first input. 1 0 1 1 is shifted to the first flip-flop. 1 1 0 1. It can be continuously happen. This is a ring counter circuit. Last flip-flop is connected to the first flip-flop and connected to next and all are connected. One 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1, next 1 0 1 1. It can be continuously repeated for this. Last output is connected to first, it can be shifted to next. You can see that. And another one is Johnson counter or twisted ring counter. The alternative name of the shifter type is switch state or Johnson type counter. The complement output of ending flip-flop is feedback to the input of starting flip-flop, where the steam ones and zeros flow in the ring form. This is a circuit diagram for the twisted ring type. When the complement of output fourth flip-flop is connected to the first flip-flop. Input variables are RST and clock pulses. If n number of flip-flop are used, then 2n number of state is required. Output variables are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. This is a truth table for the twisted ring counter. If give 0 0 0 0, the last one is 0, that can be complement to the complement and shifted to the first flip-flop 1, and first flip-flop is shifted to second is shifted to third is shifted to fourth. 0, it can be complement. 1 is shifted to the first flip-flop, and 1 is shifted to the second, 0 is shifted to the third flip-flop, and 0 is shifted to the fourth flip-flop. It can be continuously happen. This is a circuit diagram for the Johnson counter. 1 input and 4 outputs. it can be connect. It will be connected. The output of complement is the last output of complement is connected to the first flip flop. If 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, it can be the last output is a complement to the first input, and first flip flop is shifted to next, second is shifted to third is shifted to fourth. It can be continuously happen. And this is the Johnson counters. Thank you all.